Buying the best lightweight cookware can mean the difference between pots and pans that are easy to move around and cookware that feels like it's made of lead. So, with that in mind, here are the best lightweight pots and pans that you should consider buying if you want cookware that's easy to move around your kitchen. Just make sure to click the links in the description box below to get the best deals on all the lightweight cookware mentioned in the video. If you're searching for lightweight, chemical-free cookware that will last a lifetime, this Hestan NanoBond 10-piece set delivers exceptional performance with innovative titanium technology. The science behind Hestan's NanoBond technology is genuinely impressive. Thousands of titanium nanolayers bond to high-quality stainless steel, creating a cooking surface that resists common cookware problems like scratching, staining, and salt pitting. This isn't just marketing hype. The molecular titanium surface is actually 4 times harder than typical stainless steel cookware. Weight matters in the kitchen, and this set strikes a nice balance between durability and manageability. The 10-piece collection includes everything you need: 2 frying pans, 8.5 inches and 11 inches, 2 saucepans with lids, 1.5 quart and 3 quart, a 3.5 quart sauté pan with lid, and an 8-quart stock pot with lid. Each piece features Pro-Core aluminum that conducts heat 35% more efficiently than standard aluminum-clad options. Cooking with these pans feels different in the best way possible. The ultra-smooth, non-porous surface releases food easily without the chemicals found in traditional non-stick cookware. You'll appreciate the thoughtful design details too. Flush rivets prevent food buildup, while the flared rims allow for drip-free pouring. The ergonomic handles stay cool and provide a comfortable grip when transferring dishes from stovetop to table. Cleanup is surprisingly simple despite not having a non-stick coating. Food residue releases easily from the smooth surface, and unlike traditional stainless steel, these pans resist discoloration and staining. You can even toss them in the dishwasher without worry. These Italian-crafted pans represent an investment in your cooking future. The incredible heat tolerance, safe up to a scorching 1,050 degrees Fahrenheit, means you can seamlessly transfer from stovetop to oven to broiler. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction, this versatile set adapts to whatever cooking method you prefer. While the price point is certainly premium, the lifetime warranty and exceptional durability mean you'll likely never need to replace this cookware. Moving on, if you're looking for the best lightweight nonstick cookware, then this 12-piece lightweight cookware set from Caraway offers excellent nonstick performance with a health-conscious ceramic coating that makes it worth considering for anyone looking to upgrade their kitchen essentials. Caraway's lightweight cookware brings both style and substance to your kitchen with its non-toxic ceramic coating that performs beautifully. You'll appreciate how little oil or butter you need when cooking, as food slides effortlessly off the non-stick surface. The slick coating also makes cleanup remarkably simple. A quick wipe is often all that's needed. The complete set includes everything you need for everyday cooking: a 10.5-inch frying pan, 3-quart saucepan, 6.5-quart Dutch oven, and 4.5-quart sauté pan, all with matching lids except the frying pan. What really sets this collection apart from the others is the included storage solution. Magnetic pan racks keep your cookware organized, while the canvas lid holder eliminates cabinet clutter. These thoughtful details help maintain the integrity of your pots and pans over time, while helping to keep your kitchen neat and tidy. Health-conscious cooks will appreciate that Caraway prioritizes safety. Their ceramic coating contains none of the potentially harmful chemicals found in traditional nonstick surfaces. The aluminum core conducts heat evenly, preventing hot spots that can ruin delicate dishes. This construction also contributes to the cookware's relatively lightweight feel when handling individual pieces. Versatility makes this set particularly valuable. It works on all stovetops, including induction, and can transition safely to the oven for temperatures up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit. The stainless steel handles stay relatively cool on the stovetop, though using a pot holder for extended cooking sessions is still recommended. Every piece has been designed with functionality in mind, from the comfortable grip to the perfectly fitted lids. For best results with your Caraway cookware, keep the heat at low to medium settings and use a small amount of oil or butter. This approach extends the life of the non-stick surface while delivering excellent cooking results. Checking in at number 3 on my roundup of the best lightweight cookware is this American-made 5-ply stainless steel cookware set from Heritage Steel, which offers professional performance without toxic coatings, making it an ideal lightweight option for home cooks seeking durability and versatility. The Heritage Steel X-Eater 10-piece set balances professional-grade performance with practical design for everyday cooking. Each piece features 3 layers of aluminum, sandwiched between protective stainless steel layers, creating cookware that heats evenly while remaining relatively lightweight compared to cast iron alternatives. The Stay Cool handles make handling comfortable even during extended cooking sessions. What sets this lightweight cookware apart is its fully clad construction, meaning the multi-layer design extends throughout the entire body of each pot and pan. Unlike cheaper disc-bottom cookware, this ensures even heating up the sides of the pans, not just the bottom. You'll appreciate this feature when making sauces or sautéing vegetables that need consistent heat distribution. Durability is another standout quality of this set. Without chemical coatings to wear off, these pans will last for decades with proper care. The company backs this confidence with a lifetime warranty. While the initial investment might seem steep, the per-year cost makes this lightweight cookware set an economical choice in the long run. If you're looking for the absolute best lightweight nonstick cookware, listen up. HexClad's innovative cookware combines the best of both worlds with its unique hybrid technology. You get the durability of stainless steel with the convenience of nonstick surfaces in one lightweight package. The secret lies in their patented laser-etched hexagon design, creating stainless steel peaks with non-stick valleys. Each piece features a 3-layer construction with an aluminum core sandwiched between stainless steel layers. This design ensures rapid, even heating while keeping the overall weight surprisingly manageable. You'll notice the difference when moving these pans around your kitchen compared to traditional heavy cookware. This lightweight 12-piece cookware set includes 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch fry pans with matching lids, 2-quart and 3-quart saucepans with lids, and an 8-quart stock pot with lid. The Stay Cool handles are ergonomically designed to fit comfortably in your hand, preventing burns even during stovetop cooking. And talk about versatility. These pans can handle temperatures up to 900 degrees Fahrenheit, making them perfect for starting dishes on the stove and finishing in the oven. The PTFE-free ceramic nonstick coating, which is called NanoBond, means you can cook with less oil while still enjoying easy food release and simple cleanup. You won't need to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your food either, which is the main downside of most other nonstick cookware. Induction compatible and suitable for all cooktop types, this versatile set adapts to whatever kitchen setup you have. The tempered glass lids let you monitor cooking progress without releasing heat, and their built-in steam vents help control pressure. For smaller households, the 8-inch fry pan works perfectly for single servings or side dishes. The 10-inch pan becomes your everyday workhorse for couples, while the 12-inch one handles family-sized meals with ease. The saucepans tackle everything from morning oatmeal to evening pasta sauces, while the generous 8-quart stock pot makes Sunday meal prep a breeze. You can simmer soups, stews, and stocks with plenty of leftovers for freezing. Finally, if you're looking for the best lightweight cookware for seniors or anyone else who values durable yet lightweight cookware, then the Xtrema Signature Series set offers a fantastic lightweight cookware solution that you'll love. This 9-piece set includes a versatile 9-inch skillet and 3 saucepans with lids in various sizes, 1 quart, 1.5 quart, and 2.5 quart, plus 2 organic cotton pot holders to protect your hands. What makes this set stand out is its 100% pure ceramic construction. Unlike traditional cookware, there is no metal core or chemical coatings to worry about. You won't find any PFOA, PTFE, or other potentially harmful substances that might leach into your food during cooking. The lightweight one-piece design makes these pots and pans easy to handle, while the low rim on the skillet allows for easier flipping and turning of foods. When you're cooking with these pieces, you'll appreciate the even heat distribution and excellent thermal retention that helps maintain consistent temperatures. Versatility is a major plus with this set. You can use these pieces on the stovetop, in the oven, on the barbecue, and even in the microwave. They're also freezer safe for food storage and dishwasher safe for easy cleanup. Truly a multifunctional set that simplifies your cooking experience. The handcrafted ceramic has been triple fired and purified at 2,500 degrees, resulting in a durable, chip-resistant surface that's both scratch-resistant and stain-proof. To use them effectively, simply preheat on low to medium heat, add a bit of oil, and you'll create a naturally non-stick cooking surface. With a 30-day trial period and a 10-year warranty, you can cook with confidence, knowing your investment is protected. The Xtrema cookware is perfect for health-conscious cooks who don't want to compromise on performance or versatility. And with that said, I really hope my video helped you to pick the best lightweight cookware set for you. Again, the links to each of these products are at the top of the description box. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video.